Hi everyone, this is Ms. Fisher. I'm going to go over how to make a copy of a Google Doc. So I asked you to make a copy of the syllabus check group activity. If you go to the class Google site and go to Fall Curriculum, then the Google Doc I wanted you to make a copy of is this one right here, syllabus check activity. So these are the instructions at the top, but I'm going to go over them step by step. So the first thing you're going to do is click on File and then make a copy, because right now this is going to be view only for you. So I'll make a copy. I'm going to go ahead and name it group, and let's say 0. Whatever number your group was, say group 6, you would put group 6 here. And then I'll go ahead and click on OK. And here's my copy. The next thing you need to do is make it to share it. And so go ahead and click on File, click on Share. And here you're going to click on Change to Anyone with a link. But at this point, if you share the link, the other person who has the link can only view it. You want it so that it is editable by anyone who has the link. And then you can click on Done. So at this point, you can fill in the information. So when you're done, what you're going to do is you're going to submit the link here. So you can enter in your contact info, and then you take this, and when you click on share, you can just copy the link and then paste it where it says link to activity. Okay. And then the last thing is just make sure that you refer back to the syllabus, which has all the answers, and that is right here. And you can always open with Google Docs. All right. So let me know if you have any other questions. Just remember that individually, every person has to turn in the link, and I will choose one person from each group to check. All right. Thanks so much. Bye.